Don't even ask. Don't even ask.
Ice cream.
I ain't got no money unless you eat your turkey.
I got some money.
No, he's gotta eat his turkey.
Oh, hurry.
Nope, we're not gonna give you no money.
You can eat your turkey and I'll give you some money.
Here.
Let go. Okay. You gonna eat your turkey? Are you gonna eat your turkey?
Better give me something. I gave you a quarter, Michael. Give me my quarter back. Michael, give me my quarter back.
Just holding onto his arm. Yep.
See what we go through with the ice cream man? We have it documented. I'm going to show that ice cream man the next time we come around.
Okay, that was what the ice cream man does to this boy.